Da-da-da-da. Okay. Putting down my snacks. Pressing the button. Testing it. Alright, good. Let's do this again because last time we won. And so, let's do this one more time. And that didn't sound good. Let's try it again. Much better. Oh, horn test. That's what you guys want. I didn't like that. Once again. Much better. And something better. Much better. And it's noon. Blew the cobwebs out. And then the next one. Thumb on thing. Ready? Happy Mardi Gras. And then. And 3, 2, 1. Sounds good. The magic button. And then it's been a while. So let's see how it goes. And then one more time. Sounds nice and clear. Here we are. Another Blues game. Blues versus Detroit. And 3, 2, 1. That didn't sound good. Let's try it again. There. Let's go Blues. All right, ready? Here we go. Oh, that's basketball, but it's horn. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that didn't sound good. Let's do it again. Much better. Hold on a second, Frank. I got to do the horn test.
Can I do it?
Nope. I would let you do it, Frank. Say hi, Frank.
Hi. Oh, you're recording.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And then much better. Got to get all that Weezer and Pixies dust out of it. Let's open up that and get ready for this. And then a second one. There's 2 games left in the regular season. Let's open this up. And 3, 2, 1. Works. It's game 82. And here we are. See, people say, what else is in this room? Well, a lot of things. But the most important thing is right here. Focus on that. 3, 2, 1. Yep, that much better. And again. Game 6. Let's go Blues. I'm doing it right now. Here it is. It is now time to test. Ooh, that sounded a little off. Let's try it again. Much better. All right, it's time for the horn test. I wanted to show off my beard, and I wanted to apologize for blowing the horn when I shouldn't have last time. Oh, they were home whites back then. Here we go. Let's go Blues. Yeah, no, that sounds awful. Much better. It's the Western Conference final test, and that's a good one. And let's go Blues. No, double. Much better. Because we're going to blow the horn today. Ready? Let's try it. Game 6. Open it up and let's test it out. Ooh, that's a good one. One more time just in case. Hi everybody. Showing off my 8-week-old beard. It is time for the horn test. The Stanley Cup final horn test. Let's go Blues. Oh, it's been a couple days. Let's do it again. Ooh, they're cheering. All right, let's test the horn, everybody. And then let's test it again. And that's all. And let's test the horn. And one more. No. Who wants to see my almost 60-day beard? Hi. 60 days tomorrow. All right. Hey, it's blues music, everyone. But right now, there's my 9-week and 1-day beard. It's pretty thick. Here's the room. There's the Boston broadcast team. Three, two, one. Not loud enough. Much better. 67 days worth of beard. Ready? Oh, that's ready to go. We're here at the watch party. Got my pie. And ready? Let's go Blues. Let's test it out. One more time. Let's go Blues. Ta-da! Welcome to the new room. Happy New Year. Let's do this. Oh, there's my new glasses. All together now. Opening night 2019. Let's go Blues. Make some noise. Shall I make some noise? I think we shall. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's been a while. Let's try again. Let's go Blues. And, oh, we're going to scare the Olympia drivers. They're not Zambonis, they're Olympias. Ready? 3, 2, 1. See, this is why we test it. Let's go Blues. Scaring everybody out there. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. let's test this. Ooh, let's try it again. Much better. Oh, wow, it's been a while. Let's go. Ha, I'm sorry down there, gentlemen. And one more. It works. Let's go Blues. Welcome back, Pat Maroon. Let's wake him up. Ooh, and this is why we do it twice. Let's go Blues. Much better. Let's go Blues. Ooh, that was a nice, good one. And again, anyway, though. And now, let's do this. It's actually pretty good. One more, though. You hear the Christmas music on piano in the background, which will be soon interrupted by... And one more. Shall we test this out? Ooh, let's go Blues. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, one more. Ooh, ouch. Let's try that again. Much better. All right, let's scare everyone down there right before New Year's. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's a good one. Happy New Year. Let's go Blues. Hello, New Year. And let's see if after 10 days it still sounds okay. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it does. Much better. Happy New Year. Ooh, that was a little rough. Let's try it again. Much better. Let's go Blues. There's a camera here tonight. You know why that is? All-Star Game. Ooh, there's my new pencil. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Scare the guy down there. Ugh, that was awful. Much better. Scare the guy down there. That's a good one. And one more. Let's go Blues. Ooh, that's a good one. And that guy down there, let's scare him. Here we go. Thumb down. 3, 2, 1. Ugh, not strong at all. Let's do this one. Much better. Hopefully it's louder. Let's go. Oh, there's people down there. I feel sorry for them. 3, 2, 1. More, louder, better. Oh, someone asked me the other day about what these were. This is water filled with lemon heads. This is water filled with cinnamon lemon heads. That's my cocoa. And this is the horn. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that does not sound good at all. We're gonna have to check that.
Hi, everybody. Let's go hit the foghorn.
All right, ready? All right, we got to turn on the TV first and wave hi, everybody. Look, I'm in my jester stuff because it's Mardi Gras today.
Mardi Gras, you got the good flair on today, Carl.
All right, here we go.
Here's the horn, ready to test. Ready? 5, 4, horn test! Go Blues!
Now, the funny thing is, there are a whole bunch of people on the ice right now, and it's 4 o'clock, so they're going to be scared when I do this in 3, 2, 1. We're going to have to check that horn again. He's the one that did it again! He saved us all! He fixed the horn twice this week!
Do my job.
All right.
All through.
All right, let's go in. Say hi to everybody. Good job, Chris. Good job, Chris. Thanks for saving everybody. Here we go. Oh, there's a guy down there. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that is beautiful. Let's try it again. Welcome home, everybody. Hi. That's how long it's been. Shall we do this? This is game 2. Shall we see? It worked last time. Let's try it again. Might need a different one. Oh, there are more fake cardboard cutout people here. It's good. Let's try this and scare those people on the ice. Shall we do it? Say hello to everybody. Hello, all the fake crowd. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that sounded good. One more. And look, someone got me a gift. A Millennium Falcon. That's nice. I'll have to thank whoever got that for me. But in the meantime, let's do this. It's 4 o'clock. Let's go Blues. And again. It's 90s night. So let's try this out. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, that was good. Woo! And do it again. Sorry, everyone. Ooh. Weekend hangover. Much better. Let's go Blues. There are a lot of people down there working on things, and we're going to scare them right now. I apologize in advance. No, one more. Yes. All right, we have a guest today. It's Tom Calhoun. Come on in, Tom.
Oh, thanks, Carl. I just got here.
It's all right.
Let me set this down.
Because Tom now does his PA announcing up here. All right, wait, see, I wave to the people here. You can wave to the people there, too. See, we're both waving at the same time, even though everyone can see you. All right, come on. Have you ever blown the horn before, Tom?
Never. This will be a first time for the old guy.
All right, so this is it. Use your thumb, because you don't want to use your index finger, because it'll bend backwards. Yeah. Ready?
Right here.
All right, pink at the rink. 3, 2, 1.
Awesome. That's a powerful feeling.
Yes, it is. And we just scared a whole bunch of people.
Yeah.
Let's go Blues. And one more time. Much better. Look at all these 90s songs that I have ready to go. And let's try this. 3, 2, 1. And scare them again. Very good. That sounded good. But one more for good measure. Welcome back, everybody. Chris and Mike, they say hi, hi. All right, let's go in. It's been a while. We had basketball last week. I wave. Oh, the screens are on. Normally, I would just wave to you. And look at all that. Oh, I'm working on the mix for the new warm-up music tonight. Oh, I have to bring this back out because we haven't had it for so long. And now we scare everybody down there. Oh, one more. Oh, now they're going to blow their horns. Sounds good. Actually, that sounded really good. Doesn't need a second one, but someone's up in the catwalk, so. Let's go Blues. Hi, Bob. We miss Bob. saying hi to everyone because I didn't do it last game. I had a question last game what the pregame songs were and who picked them. The players picked them. So here's what they are. You've heard Can't Stop, My Frequency, Super Friends, Caught Up in the Country, Post Malone, Goosebumps, The Business, What's Next, and then it ends with Corduroy by Pearl Jam. So that's what those are. And that's what this is. 3, 2, 1. And one more. That sounds really good, actually. Let's go Blues.
What's going on, bud?
Hi, Rick. Say hi, Rick.
Hi, Rick.
Ha! See, he blew the other horn. Sounds good. Good sound. That's Randy.
Okay.
Let's blow the horn again. I know we were busy last night because we blew the horn so many times, but got everything back on. Let's do it again tonight. Or let's try to do it again tonight. Ready? 3, 2. And Chris unplugged it right as soon as I was about to do it. That was cute though. And then he runs away. Now let's do it. Uh-oh. It's tired from yesterday. Let's do a horn test, shall we? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Let's do it again. Let's see if this works because for the ceremony I was in the other room. 3, 2, 1. That's a good one. And then again. LGB.
Knock it off, Carl. Hi, Carl. Are you eating Tostino's pizza again?
Yeah, that's a good one. Scared somebody. Wow, that's a good one.
Carl!
I'm here.
Are you keeping the video yet?
Yeah, right now.
Good.
Say hi.
No. Hi.
Okay, so
Carl!
what? I'm saying hi to everyone. Let me say hi to Bob. And then we pull this back. Oh wait, they're gonna jump out and scream, I'm sure. 3, 2, 1. Louder! Louder! Wow, that was a good one. Oh, somebody asked me the other day what program I use, and it is called Sound Director, and that is the program that we use. And now let's test. 3, 2, 1. And one more. 90s. There's Chris. And one more. The last game of the year. Until, next week. 3, 2, 1. Let's go Blues. Thanks, Rick. So it is the first night of the playoffs, but it is also, hi everyone, it is also the Professional Women's Hockey Association. Hi, Bob. And they're playing here tonight. Zoom in. So this game's at 6, and then the Blues game is at 9. So it will be perfect. Let's test it out. And one more.
Everybody in the bowl, stand by when I blow the horn.
They're putting out the towels, so let's do this.